Out here at Rock Springs Run State Reserve on the Wekiva River at Buffalo Tram primitive campsite. But out here, this was an old logging tram car where they used to bring the logs in. Cypress trees and other logs they cut down in this area. And here is an old tram car from that period. As you can see, it's pretty overgrown with ferns, but it's a little piece of history left behind. Used to, I guess they loaded up the logs on here and then ran this thing down the track and brought them to the river so they could haul them out. It's kind of a cool thing to see out here, little piece of history out at Rock Springs Run State Reserve on the Wekiva River.